Hey gamers, today I'll be showing you 2 glitches to help with stability on the Volt bike, and a cool glitch for $35,000. Let's get right into it. I'll be needing the Volt bike. I'm sorry. The dirt bike, same name, and it's literally a pretty broken vehicle. So basically, you're gonna need to head over to the prison. And go to this place right here. Now you're just gonna align yourself like this. And then just jump off and reset. Just press space and enter driver at the same time. Oh, brother. Alright, so now, as you see, it has distance, but that isn't all. It does help, like, do all this, but here's the actual next one. So, while you're going, you want to hold D, and then go forward. And if done correctly, you should start going onto the ground. And so close to working. Boom. There it is. Alright, so the next one involves the Volt bike being used in this glitch. I know it cost $1 million. It isn't, like, cheap at all, but, like, I grinded for it. You can grind for it, too. So, what you want to do now, you're not going to need to reset any time for this. All you got to do is just press E and jump at the same time. And then this would happen. So, yes, this helps a lot, but as you see, whenever I go up against something, it's always something weird. The Volt bike, it just does this for no reason. So, put a stop to this. You're doing basically the exact same thing. Holding D and going forward. Now, it doesn't like flip out or anything. It doesn't really flip out that bad though, so these are like really good glitches in my opinion. So yeah. Bye!